The objective of the program is the preservation of historic buildings within the county. The county owns are in need of significant repairs in many cases, but not so significant in other cases. And there aren't funds necessarily available to maintain these properties.
The Resident Curator program allows government entities to address underutilized publicly owned properties. The government entities enter into a lease agreement with a qualified tenant who will provide care for the structure, both rehabilitation and maintenance. In exchange, the tenants can occupy the property without needing to pay rent.
Curator applicants are evaluated through a process very similar to a proposal process. They will be evaluated on their work plans submitted. They'll also be judged on their financial capabilities to do the work, their experience in contracting for the work, and their knowledge of historic properties.
A curator can be a private citizen, it can be a nonprofit entity, or a for-profit organization.
Curators will be reviewed regarding their financial capabilities and their experience in contracting. The curators will be responsible for renovating the properties and paying for that in exchange for being able to live in the property on a long-term lease, rent-free. We will actually save tax dollars by doing this and also be in a position to preserve the properties.
One benefit for the curator is the uniqueness of the properties. All of them are on parkland, so you get the benefit of being in a park. If we partner with the private sector, we can maybe preserve these properties for future generations.
It's a really good win-win situation for all of those concerned.